Hey everybody, this is Mike, and I have a rare gem to share with you today. This is a 1963 um, Olivetti Studio 44, and it is in just remarkable condition. It is pristine. Get a close look at the pictures. I don't think there's a scratch on this thing. Um, I will show you how it works. Typewriter works perfectly. It is so nice to type on. I'll go through and show you all the keys work. This machine does have the Olivetti Pica typeface on it, so it's very, very clean, easy to read. It does have the bichrome selector, so it will type in red. Let's engage the shift lock here. Get a look at the pictures because the case for this thing turned out really well. The interior is this beautiful blue fabric. I couldn't believe the case cleaned up as well as it did. It's got the original key with it and everything. It really suits this machine. Let me show you on the inside. You can see here the segment is completely spotless. All of the type arms move freely. This particular typewriter does have with it the original metal spools and the bolts to hold them down. So yeah, I mean, everything about this works great. It is in perfect condition. Let me show you the typeface here. There it is. As you can see, the ribbon on this is a fresh ribbon. You won't just take it right out of the box and start typing with it. It does have the original instruction manual to go with it as well. And that's all I got for now. Thanks, and thanks for watching.